In this video I will show you how to create color light effect in Adobe Photoshop. First, we will drag the image and make a copy. Now we will go to the adjustment layer and click on the gradient map. Now we will select the light blue color. Press OK. Right-click and choose Blending option. Follow these settings. Press OK. Change the blending mode soft light. Double-click this layer. Click this gradient color. Choose 𝗕𝗲𝘀𝘁 golden color. Press OK. Thanks for watching this video. Please subscribe my YouTube channel for more tutorial.